Happy Thanksgiving, everyone, and welcome back to Big Nick's Meats and Treats. Today I'm doing homemade cranberry sauce because nobody likes wiggly, jiggly canned cranberry sauce on Thanksgiving. Super easy to make. First thing I want you to do is get 2 Gala apples, peel them, chop them up, core them, chop them up, dice them up, and have those ready to go. We're going to start off with 2 cups of cranberry juice. I use the stuff that's 50% sugar, not sugar-free, and not the stuff that has all the sugar in it, otherwise you're going to have a big sugar bomb. So 50% sugar, I do 2 cups of that. 6 ounces of dried cranberries, I use the Ocean Spray Craisins. 1 cup of sugar. And take a cinnamon stick and break it in half, put it in there. Don't break it in half over the pan unless you like eating wood chips. Then I'm going to put this over medium heat and stir it for 5 minutes to try to rehydrate those cranberries. It's been 5 minutes now. The cranberries are starting to rehydrate. I'm getting ready to put the 2 apples in that I chopped up. Go ahead and take a look at the size of how I diced them up there. You don't want to make them too big and you don't want to make them too small. If you get them too small, it'll end up turning into applesauce. So go ahead and put those apples in there that you chopped up. And then you're going to stir that for another 5 minutes and let those apples cook in with the cranberries. So I'm going to keep working on this and I'll see you in 5 more minutes. We're back. It's been about 5 minutes. The apples are starting to get soft. I took 2 teaspoons of cornstarch in this bowl here, and I'm going to take 3 or 4 ladlefuls of juice out of the pan here and mix it in with the cornstarch. And then I'm going to stir that with a fork to get a slurry that I'm going to put back in there. And that's what's going to firm up the sauce. So mix that cranberry sauce that you took out with the ladle in with the cornstarch real good. Get a good slurry going. And then go ahead and mix that back in. And then you're going to cook that for another 5 minutes after you put the cornstarch in. So we're going to work on this for 5 more minutes, and I'll see you in 5. All right, we're all done with the cooking. I sure wish I could incorporate smell-o-vision on these videos because this just smells fantastic with the cranberries and the cinnamon and the apples. It's so good. The next thing you need to do is just take the mixture that you made on the stove and pour it into a bowl. And we're going to put that in the refrigerator and we're going to let it sit. And I would highly recommend that you make this at least 1 day prior to Thanksgiving or whenever you want to serve it, because it lets it sit in the refrigerator and the apples and the cinnamon and cranberries just all mixed together and it tastes so good. Take the cinnamon sticks out right before you serve it. And I sure hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving and enjoy this easy recipe for cranberry sauce. Make sure you click subscribe and like below. And we'll see you in a week or 2. And we'll have a couple more videos between now and Christmas. Until then, watch me work, baby.